Hey, what's going on, everyone? Sportswolf3 here. Today we have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem. Ninja Shouts Raphael. Yes, he looked amazing. He's my favorite turtle. Had to pick him up. Here's a quick look at the back. There's the other dudes in the set. And we need to get him opened up and have a little fun. All right, here he is out of his packaging, and he looks fantastic. He's making all kinds of noise. There's a little battery compartment there in case you need to replace your little batteries. And then he's got a couple of weapons right here, the size. He just doesn't stop talking. And you got a couple of spots right here on his little utility belt where you can store these as well. You can barely tap him, and he just goes off. This is great. He's got little speaker holes right here, so the sound comes out right here. And let's see, he's got a little moving articulation here in his head, so you can kind of move this around if you'd like. Just like that. And we can tip his head up. So it's a semi-ball joint or something going on in there. And then the legs here are kind of like, I don't know, just hanging there, a little springy in there, and no other movement there, but you can swivel. You can swivel his little feet here just a little bit, and that is about it. And then, of course, he holds his little weapons, and then he just doesn't stop. And that's the big gimmick with this thing. So you move his arms, and
you guys pumped?
yep.
Get off my back.
And that's what he does.
Let's go.
And so the longer you hold his arms out, the longer he holds on to his phrase.
Pow.
His arms are spring-loaded for some karate action. And so you can move him up and down like that. And that's what he does. That's what he does. And he's very come on now. He's very top heavy, so you kind of have to mess with him a little bit to get him to stand properly. So hopefully there's no shelf diving going on with these when you display him. So you get him just right, get that weight centered at his waist, and he should stand just fine. And that's it. So there you go. It's the power shouting punching action Ninja Shouts Raphael screaming action figure. It's awesome. I recommend these. These are a lot of fun. You can mess with them forever and have a good time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. We'll see you again next time.